Alright, finally got this in. Got the rebuild kit for the slave cylinder, so we need to get that swapped out, and yeah, we'll get to work on that. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to take off this case saver. Go ahead and get this out of here. I think there's a bolt here and back here, so we'll have to get the airbox cover off as well. So this just supposed to pop off. Okay, so it's only held in by these detents right here. Get this out. This needs to be, that's freshly oiled. I need to change that. That's going on the list of things that need to be changed. There's a 8mm down here and a 10mm up there. Okay, and then you just twist it out. Get this out of here. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this reservoir, make room. We're gonna let some air in. We're gonna drain this entire system. So it's Torx 20 on top. We open this up, there's a bunch of black shit in there, so we definitely need to clean it out. We know the fluid's no good. That's something people normally neglect. Should only be 3 bolts on the slave cylinder. Should come right off. Remove the old gasket. It looks pretty clean right here. And this thing's already coming all the way apart. Shouldn't be. It's already blown out. You can see it's just fucked. All right, so now we got to get this banjo bolt off. Got the crush washers, got the banjo bolt out. And got the important part out. Okay. We'll just let that drip in there. All right, so we're just gonna swap these parts out. Comes with a new piston, new cap, new O-ring, new gasket, and new bolts, and the new crush washers. Don't worry about this right now. So if you have access to a compressor, it's very handy. Just pops right out. Good stuff. Look at all that gunk in there. So make sure you clean that out real good. Okay, the O-ring that we got to change is on this outside here. Just pop that O-ring out. Goes around here. Right. So spring, piston, like this. Pop them together. That does go down there. Guess that does go down there, and this seat's around this. Okay, perfect. Now we know. Look, the more you know. All right, easy enough. Now all we gotta do is bleed it. Get a new gasket. Get this bad boy on the bike. All right, with the new crush washers installed, go ahead and reinstall this banjo bolt. Get it started most of the way. Whenever I had the chain off, it would be so much easier. All right, they gave you extra bolts. They gave us new bolts, but I'm going to go ahead and install the OEM bolts. All right, so we'll put the Case saver back on. Alright, now we got our little one-man bleeder. We're going to see how well this works. I bet you as soon as I open up this, it's just going to pop off. Okay, the highest point of the thing, we got our bars turned where the highest point of the line is the reservoir. So we're going to start filling it up, seeing where this fluid goes. Figure this out another day. We rebuilt that, but we can't get it going because that's not the whole problem. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm disappointed.